Okay, yeah, here we go now. And you continue sending us the pairs that you guys sent to before, right? So sorry for that. I had my signal was very bad, right now. So we fixed it at the moment, and yeah, there you go. We have an excellent connection now. Just go down to comment section again and send us the signal. And also, like I've said earlier on, that please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it with friends and family, right? Because that's how you show us love, as we are showing you guys love as well. Okay. USDMXN, got it. We'll try and analyze that particular pair as well. But let's continue analyzing the USDMXN so that we can know what we are expecting when the London market opens, right? Because we have about 7 minutes left in order for London market to open. But you already know that, so whenever time it is London market, GBP pairs tend to move quickly than other pairs, right? So that's why we are kind of checking GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, things like that. So when it is New York session, you usually USDMX, USD pairs tend to move quickly than the other pairs, right? Because they are volatile by then. So right now, what we are saying is Euro USD daily time frame, putting our support and resistance lines, right? So let's try to continue by putting the support and resistance line. From there, we can go down and start doing other things, right? Okay, cool. Um, Seeing another one again here. Seeing another. Perfect. So as you can see, these are support and resistance line on this Euro USD daily time frame, right? So after I put my support and resistance line on Euro USD, remember there are some factors that you're supposed to be looking out for when you come down to daily time frame, right? Uh, of course, we'll not be saying everything here. Okay. As you can see, this is for our time frame. We just come down to for our time frame, and sorry, having a lot of things here. Okay, so as you can see, this is for our time frame, and let me try to check 1 hour before I decide on what to do. Okay, got it. So yeah, what you are supposed to be doing right here, I will just check out where choppy market are and things like that. So I'll just do that. Mm, if you zoom in, you will see something here, right? You see something right here. So that's the reason why the market is the market bought right there and right there as well. You see some things. So as you can see, this is the 4 hour time frame, and right now, before we decide if this market is going to buy or not, because I'm seeing some changes right now and right here, then we'll go down to daily time frame, and as you can see, this is Twitter's bottom. This is Twitter's bottom, very very perfect one, right? But or to go down to smaller time frame, like a 1 hour time frame, to see clearly what's going on, right? After doing our top down analysis, because that's how we can know what's going on in the market. So as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, the market is actually kind of trying to range, right? It's kind of ranging. So let me take my price range and specify that. So even this Euro USD, I'm not interested in shorting it. It might continue buying and buying, because right now we're about to end our London session. 3 minutes more. So as you can see, it's respecting move to the upside, right? So when it breaks out of these and I see maybe a retest or whatsoever, uh, I will buy this particular pair. But remember, the buy is not going to be for long time, except we see move. So as you can see, I'll be interested in buying this particular pair. I'll be interested in buying it based on what I'm seeing on the daily on the 1 hour time frame, right? So Euro USD, but we'll have bought it right here, but right now, it is not the best time to buy it, except on retracements. As you can see on the 5 minute time frame, it's just making move to the upside, right? 15 minute time frame, still the same thing, and 30 minute time frame, as you can see, still the same thing. We missed very perfect entry, man. We missed the, oh my goodness, we missed very good. This is where we are supposed to get in for the buy. Let me try to show. This is where we are supposed to get in for the buy, right here. As we saw this rejection, we are supposed to get in for the buy to ride it all the way. But right now we are late. We are late, but before that, when I see that the market break out of this particular zone and come down and retest again, I will look out for buying opportunities right at this point, right? So let's try to wait for Euro USD move first before I will consider what to do next. But remember, I'm seeing my GBP USD buy, right? I took some profit, closed it, but I'm seeing GBP USD buy, because all of these selling points and things like that. Okay, let me specify that I'm waiting for this particular pair to buy. So all of this selling, or even this GBP USD, still need to break out of this. Still need to break out of this before I consider it to go up to the upside completely. Because right now, they didn't break out of it. It's still reacting to it, right? So when you break out, retest, boom, that's where we'll continue buying, or you can add more lot sizes to your position, right? Because come on, GU, I need to break out of this. Once you break out of this close and go up, come down, retest, you can add more position, because that's what I'm waiting for this GBP USD to do right now. So yeah, as of now, there's no entry points at the moment. All of this entry point, we've missed it, and come on, we are now in London session. As you can see, the market is still kind of ranging. So right now, I got a lot of things going on this GBP USD, man, because I analyze it, I do a lot of things, but right now I'm still waiting for breakout, to be honest. I need a breakout after breaking out, because we just got into London session. After breaking out to the upside, we can get in for the buy, right? Or wait for close. Once it closes above my trend line, it will continue going up to the upside right there. Yeah, so that's what I'm seeing on the Euro USD. Let's wait for perfect entry, right? Because right now, if you get in, it's kind of risky, man. It's kind of risky. The trading is risky as a whole, right? But we have to see a close above ASEAN session. As you can see, all of this move happened during ASEAN session. So we have to see a close above of it and maybe possibly retest before we can decide what to do next. And here's the 5 minutes out frame. As you can see, it's still doing some kind of rubbish things, right? So let's go down and check the gold. I think it's gold, right? Somebody saying gold. Okay, yeah, it is gold on the okay XAUSD, so that we can know what to do or what we are seeing. Oh wow! As you guys can see in our previous class, I told you guys that I spot out the hanging man right here, right? Where was it? As you can see, this was the hanging man, and I was expecting gold to reach down to this level, but it was not able to reach it. And as you can see, bought off of my support. This was my support right here, and I explained what exactly I see right at this point, right? As you can see, I didn't delete my analysis or anything like that for this particular gold. It is very very difficult for me. Whenever time I do my analysis, I keep it. So this was the analysis that we did. Um, when was that? I think day before yesterday. That was when we did analysis for this particular period being gold, right? And I did mention that if this particular support break out and closes below it, then definitely gold will come down to this point before you start buying. And of course, gold did not close below it very very well, right? And as you can see, this is my support line, but didn't close below it as we needed it to do. So gold decided to buy off of this particular support. And if you go and check our previous session, you will see that this is where this is where we started the analysis. All of these candles didn't form by then. They didn't form by then, and as you can see right now, is buying, right? So I'll be expecting this, yeah, I'll be expecting this particular pair to continue buying. But first of all, we have to see another breakout of this. We have to see breakout of this, because that's like kind of another resistance line. Yeah, so we have to see breakout of this particular zone before it will continue buying all the way to the upside. Yeah, as you can see, it has kept on moving, right? So as you guys can see that I didn't delete my analysis, delete nothing, nothing for this particular pair. Right now uh, I'm still expecting it to buy once it break out of this line. uh, so do you have any question about the XAUSD? Just try to let me know if you have any question, so that um I can explain more. Okay, somebody is saying, are you considering the fundamental analysis because Trump tests positive for the COVID-19? For sure, I deal with fundamental analysis as well. As you can see, if you come down to my browser, you will see that I'm constantly checking news, right? This is where I check news, and let me refresh it so that I check news, and also I check news from another sources as well, so that in case if there is any particular news that I'm kind of missing, right? So it is very very important for you to check fundamental analysis as well, don't just rely on your technical analysis. At least um, do some sort of fundamentals as well. As you can see right here, I'm even checking some news that about the Trump. They say Trump says he and First Lady have tested positive for coronavirus, right? President Trump and his wife Melania have contracted the coronavirus. He announced early Friday after a month in which he has played down a pandemic that has killed more than 250,000 Americans and sickened millions more. So I do check fundamental analysis, I check news, I check everything. We have network is just kind of misbehaving right now. Exactly know what's happening. Okay, yeah, so let's we try and wait, but we miss see there's another thing about me, man. If I just take maybe one or two couple of trades in a day, I don't usually check out my previous analysis or things like that. I'll just focus on that particular trade of which I already execute on my account, right? As you can see, this gold, hadn't been we continuously checking this particular pair being gold, would have got it right here on this particular retracement or at the breakout when it happened, right? So like I was saying earlier on, you can go and confirm it that we did this analysis on our um I mean in our previous live session on USDMXN. Can I show you the analysis of USDMXN? This was analysis done for my students, not publicly. Yeah, for sure. USDMXN my buy as of now, but let me try and use Fibonacci. Yep, as you can see, it has rejected my for sure. It's rejecting the 50% fib retracement now. And as you can see, this line that you see right here, it is daily support. It is daily support. Yeah, it does daily support. I don't want to be kind of showing you this whole analysis based on the analysis was done for my students. The analysis was done for my students. Sorry for that. So as you can see right here, at the time that I did this analysis, I say it will calm down because this was where the USDMXN was, and it has not even started moving by then when I did this particular analysis, saying that it will come down for retracement first before it will continue going to the upside, right? So right now, wait for this particular for our candle to close, then we decide where USD MXN is going to go next. But according to my analysis, I will be expecting this particular pair being USD MXN to continue buying to for another higher high. So, but first of all, we have to look out for some sort of confirmations first. Then we see if it will continue buying, right? As you can see, I've just shown you the analysis completely. This was the analysis done for my students, right? But yeah, that's it for USD MXN. So this particular pair, so USD knock, I'm waiting for it to come down to this level before it will buy to the upside. So let's try to see if you have any particular pair that you are still looking at in the market. Please check out for gold. Yeah, of course, I checked out for gold just now, and this is gold analysis. Let me try to show you this gold analysis for our time frame. You guys know when I did this analysis. Oh my god, you know, though I didn't trade all of these pairs these days. I didn't trade like indexes. I'm just kind of putting my strength trading this currency pairs as of now. I just don't like trading them for now because that was September. I don't trade indexes and indices that kind of much. So during maybe November to December, I might trade the US 30, Nasdaq, XPS, SPX, gold, maybe volatility 75. If I see that the V75 is now moving according to what I want, then I might trade it as well, right? So right now, I'm not interested in trading in all of these pairs like gold, uh, US 30, XPX, Nasdaq, volatility 75, or things like that. I'm not interested in trading them, but I can analyze it for you and tell you what is going to happen, right? Of course, I did the analysis before right here. Right now, as you can see, went up for the buy. So let me try to check the GBP USD because I'm kind of interested in trading GBP USD. Yeah, GBP USD is about to break out of this, but right now, if you want to get in for the buy, you can get in for the buy. As you can see, it's reacting to my support level right here. So, so if you want to get in for the buy now, come on, come on, come on. What are you waiting for? I'm trying to change this. Let me try to change this to another color. um I don't want to delete this my previous analysis. That's why you guys see me. Okay, I think white will be okay. Or I just want to identify that. Oh, oops. Yeah, like I was saying, I want to just identify that this is where we got in for today, right? And as you can see, stop loss is going to be 40 pips. Okay, so stop loss is going to be 40 pips for this particular, but I'm not supposed to be putting it right on 5 minutes time frame. See, let me check. But does not close out of this, but I'm trying to see. Supposed to close out of it, but try and get in with small lot size first. Yeah, if you want to just get in right now, so we'll be risking about 40 pips. Of course, there's a reason why I'm putting my stop loss right here. Of course, the stop loss is supposed to be down somewhere here, right? But right now, I'm interested in putting my stop loss right there. So I'm trying to see something. Um, so that where my stop loss is going to be and take profit. At least you already know that we are going for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, right? Come on, come on, what's that? Okay, let me try and change it to red. Nope, 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 nope. Sorry guys, I'm trying to check all of this. Guys, see the pips right there. Let me see. Okay, let's just get rid of this. Let's just get rid of that and start with another one average. So Okay, okay, okay. Let's set it to black. Yeah, cool. I think now it's much better, right? Perfect. So it's gonna be like this, and we already said stop loss to be 40 pips, like I've said earlier. As you can see right here, it is 40.9, right? Yeah, let it be 40.9, and I'll take profit. We'll be targeting our previous high, but let's not be greedy much. Let it just be 80 pips, and as you can see, it is 81.1. So yeah, this is the stop loss and take profit for this particular pair being euro, GBP USD, right? So you can see it's trying to break out of this. It's trying to break out of this, right? Let's go. So this is our entry point around price 1.28727. That's where our entry point is. We are buying this particular pair, which is GBP USD. Is my screen confusing to you guys? Because I got a lot of things going on right here, and I think I might be the only person that kind of understand what is going on right here. Is this a buy? Yeah, this is a buy, man. This is a buy. We are waiting to buy signal for GBP USD. This is a buy signal. It's a buy signal, but remember we are risking 40 pips. So if you got in, because me personally, I'm expecting GBP USD to continue buying. Be confident enough in your trade. Be confident enough in your trade right now without even the breakout. Without even the breakout, I know it's gonna go for a buy. So because of this, my support level right here. So let me close that so you can see what's going on. Let me just try and reduce this so that you can be seeing. I think it is clear enough now, right? So yeah, I think you should be able to see it at the moment. We just got rid of our previous, but a lot of things going on here, man. A lot of things is going on here. What is all of this? Let me get rid of this. So that it won't be as if I'm confusing you or hey, what is Israel doing right here? He got a lot of things going on his chat, right? Let me just try and remove all of these previous. Uh, what was that? Let me try to see. Go down to 4 hours. I'm trying to see clearly. Okay, this is my arrow. Let me just get rid of it. But I'll still set it on again. I'll still set it because I like the way I just put them. Yeah, even this one as well. I gotta get rid of it. So yeah, I think the chat is kind of trying to be more clear to you guys, right? So yeah, there you go. GBP USD buy right now, and you know that we are risking 40 pips right here. So this is where support is on the 5 minutes alpha, right? I'll be expecting it to shoot up to the upside, but right now, yep. So we're risking about 40 pips on this trade. I know we are supposed to wait for the breakout, but for the sake of FOMO, fear of missing out. So, fear of missing out, man. Nah, I'm not. It's not because of fear of missing out. That's why I got in. No, it's not fear of missing out. There's difference between fear of missing out and there's difference between you analyzing it and seeing what is happening in the market before you got in, right? As you can see, I got my support right here, and the market is just kind of trying to be choppy right here. And also, this is my channel, so I will be expecting breakout of this my channel right away. Once it break out, definitely it's gonna continue to the upside. So let's try to see in few minutes or few hours for this particular trade to continue going up, because that's what I'm expecting this particular period being GBP USD to do, right? And a lot of people are saying we should check. Um, hello, please give stop loss and take profit detail. Don't worry, no need for you to be asking all of this. I say after I analyze the trade, after giving it out the signal, I update you guys with the stop loss and take profit. And as you can see, I put my support, I put my stop loss and everything on the 1 hour time frame, right? If you come down here, our stop loss is 40 pips. Last take profit is 81 pips. So basically, we are risking 40 pips on this particular trade, right? So let's try to see what is going to happen on this particular pair. This is another possible support. Just as you can see, it might come down, retest this before continuing going up. Uh-huh, 50%. Yeah, right. Then 61%. So, cool. So this is Euro USD now, and Euro USD as well. It's kind of getting interesting, but because of what I'm seeing right here, as you guys can see, I've told you that this is just kind of ranging market, trying to come down now, but I think this will be just a retracement. If you put your trend line this way, you can see that it reacted to this particular move. But this is an engulfing candle, man. A very, very big engulfing candle, and I'm seeing another support. 50%, 61%. Cool. Yep. So since it broke out of the 38%, no need for me to plot that again. So USD might buy from this point to up, right? Because that's my 50% of Fibonacci retracement. So, but I'm not interested in that. Oh my goodness! Oh, you guys see what happened? GU, you guys see what happened? 80 pips take profit about a hit. 80 pips take profit about a hit. About a hit. About a hit. About a hit. About a hit, man. About a hit, man. Come on. Stop playing with me. Come on, let's go, man. Stop playing, man. We know what we're doing right here. We know what we are doing right here, man. Come on. Stop playing with me. 1,000 profit just now. Just now. Come on, come on, come on. Stop playing, man. Stop playing with me. You know what? I know what I'm doing right here, man. I know what I'm doing right here. So when we talk of analysis, when we talk of trade, when we talk of everything, come on to ITT. We are all about pips. We are all about pips, man. We are all about pips. Pips, man. Pips, man. Haha. Come on. Got it. Got it. Let's go. We are here, man. Live trading going on. So no need for you to be scared of the market, man. Got it. $1,000 just now, you know. Come on. How many pips is this? How many pips is this? Come on, let's try to see. 50 pips, man. This 50 pips. You guys can start taking profit. Come on, stop playing with me. But you can still wait for final take profit right here for 81 pips, right? Wait for an oh my goodness. I've told you this is gonna go to the upside. Do the analysis, do everything, wait for it, boom, continue going to the upside and take your profit. Come on, let's go. Stop playing with me, man. Come on, stop playing with me. You know, we know what we are doing right here on regarding analysis. This is pure technical analysis, man. This is pure technical analysis. As you can see, 50 pips take profit. Just how many minutes? 5 minutes. Stop playing with me, man. We are here. We don't play. We don't play. We don't use this for joke. We mean business. We mean business. Of course, I didn't have much time to send the signal to our students and things like that, but it is what it is. All right, now we are taking our profit. You know, yeah, you can start taking profit because it's 50 pips, 50 pips in profit, right? So that's come on, man. This is life. This is life and direct. We don't play right here. We don't play. Not playing. Nothing. Nothing. Not joking. Nothing. Come on. Come on. You know. We are still ITT. We are still ITT. We do it live. We do it. You know. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. Come on. Stop playing with me. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. take profit, 50 pips, man. This life and direct, life and direct, life and direct. So we don't hide things. We do it. You see it. We prove to you that we are the best. We are the best, man. But we are not perfect. We are still learning. But you know that we do our best to prove to you that okay, we know what we are doing in the forex market, right? So right here, we are doing life and direct. No, nothing like hidden secret, nothing. You confirm it on our channel, right? Come on, let's go, man. Let's go for 80 pips, 80 pips, 80 pips coming now. You know, let's go. So it's gonna be 50 plus take profit. Um, we usually go for 30 pips, but it is what it is. The market just moved as in unexpectedly, right? Don't we expect it to go? That's why I got in for the buy. Come on. UP USD 50 plus first TB hit, right? Stop playing with us, man. We prove to you we are the best. We prove to you we are the best. We don't hide things. Nothing is hidden. So if you think any of them are trying, let them come with us. Let's trade life and direct. We don't play. See, if you don't believe me, at least believe the result, man. Believe what you are seeing right now. Believe what we are seeing. Don't believe me. I'm not expecting you should believe me, and I'm not saying you should believe me, but believe what you are saying right here, right now. So do your thing, I do my thing. That's the thing. Or any for you guys that maybe trust me or believe in me. Come on, let's go, man. We know what we're doing right here. We know what we're doing. So 80 pips take profit is coming. 80 pips take profit is coming. Put your take profit around price 1.29538. That's the 80 pips. So definitely. So, I'm going to edit mine right now. Let it be. Come on, GU. We aren't playing here, man. We aren't playing. So you gotta take your time. So yeah, like I've said earlier on, that put your check profit around this price. That is going to be second check profit now, which is going to be 81 pips in check profit, right? So put it at 1.29538. So that's where your second check profit is going to be for 81 pips. Come on, GU, stop playing with me. Continue going up. I need you to hit this my 80 pips take profit, because that's where the last take profit is supposed to be. Come on, let's go, man. So like I've said, set your take profit to be around price 1.29538. That's the 81 pips, because it is very important to have your okay 29538, right? Let me try to modify my trade so that 29538. Come on, GU. Nah, don't go down, man. That's not what we're expecting from you. 29538, right? 29538, and I'm trying to modify them. Come on, all of this is bad move. I know you're not gonna go down. So yeah, let me try to spot out another support, right? So that we can see where the market might tend to go up again. Um, exactly. So that's where. So come on, come on. You guys should stop playing with us, you know. When we talk because we know what we are doing. We are not just talking, maybe talking rubbish or talking what we don't know in the forex market, right? So yeah, so I'm expecting this to happen. But right now, as you can see, the reason why this reacted to the previous resistance, but I was expecting a breakout of it before to come down and retest this. As you can see, there's another resistance level right here, right? And also there's resistance right here according to how I drew my line. As you can see, another resistance, and so come on, GU. So yeah, that's it. As you can see, then so yeah, we are waiting for another move, right, to happen. Yeah, come on, GU. I'm expecting breakout. Yeah, continue going up, man. I'm expecting a breakout of this before hit our second take profit, which is for 80 pips. So you guys have told you start taking profit, right? So um, because this move, oops, no, that's not what I wanted to do. I intended to focus. It might come down here. It might even come down here. Let me try to spot out all of this. So yeah, that's all about it. Good. Cool. So yeah, I'm still expecting a buy to continue happening, right? I'm still expecting it to continue moving to the upside, because, like I said earlier on, that I'm not interested in shorting this particular pair. Let's try to check EU, but Euro USD is still just reacting to this my support line right here, right? And what about GJ? I think GJ, yeah, GJ as well move to the upside, but not that kind of much. Come on, GU. So GU is the best. We are trying to come on. I'm having a lot of messages. Okay. Um, Come on, you. Go ahead, this is my second take profit. So yeah, this is how we do it, man. No hidden secret. So we prove to everybody that we know what we do, right? Come on, you. Don't go down. You're also expecting a breakout to the upside, not to the downside. I know you are trying to find it. Yeah, GBPUSD now is just trying to find the another support to start going to the upside. So that's what we are waiting for. Come on. Oh, you are still saying, you are still asking, can we enter? Some people are asking, can we enter now? Can we enter now? Can we enter again at the new support? Yeah, you can still get in at the new support line, but we are still have so we are still waiting for this particular page to continue going up, right? So come on. So this is the support, or we might see this as our support again. Let's see how far will this go up. So yeah, let me continue modifying my trade because 29583. Come on, JU is just trying to play with us. Come on, GJ, GU rather. We trade GJ a lot. So right here, I might see GBP USD might find another support right at this point, right? Uh, but let me try and check. This is 15 minutes after. So come on. I'm still expecting it to go up, not down, man. So is there any pair that you guys are looking at? So that let me know now because we have to be checking other things as well so that we can know which one which to be focusing on. So what GBPSD is doing now, I think, is just trying to get out all of these new traders that bought, not only new traders. Let's try to see. Let's try to see what is going to happen now because if it didn't shoot up, definitely something is going on. But it came down too early for retracement, man. This is early retracement. It's supposed to continue going up for a while before it will continue, before it will come down for retracement. Well, this is just early retracement, and I don't count this as valid retracement. I would still expect another retracement to happen. This might be just the banks are trying to move the market and get out some people out of their position, right? All these big banks, JB Morgan, you can just continue naming them. Uh, so let me try and check. Let me check the fundamentals. Let me check fundamentals and see what's going on. Okay, we are having Euro news in about 1 hour 12 minutes now. Yeah, Euro news in 1 hour 12 minutes, and we'll be having come on, we'll be having NFP, and FOMC member speaking, right? So we're trying to see. We're trying to see all of these things and see how far we can trade and we can go about them. So let's try to see, man. Come on, GU. I need you to continue going up, man, not down. So GU, let's just try to be patient and wait for it to continue going up, because I don't count this as valid retracement because this is too early. It might be manipulation, or it might just be, some sort of manipulation as well, because all those kind of things. Waiting for the new support level. I'm out of the market, boss. Oh, okay. You're out of the market, right? That's cool. That's cool. Let's try to see how far can GU continue moving, right? Let's see. But it might play out, this is pure manipulation in the market. So this is why if you're not using any indicator to trade forex, I don't have nobody to go to kind of blame. I don't blame anybody. Come on. G is very crazy, man. Oh my goodness. G is crazy right now. you know this is pure manipulation, and big banks are playing us. I've told you this is just early retracement and pure manipulation going on. So so if care is not taken, they might ride it all the way to where our entry point is. Come on, GU. Ah, well, let's try to see. So GU came down and retest this particular zone specifically. This zone, right? Okay. Okay. Come on. But I was expecting you to come to this my 80% profit first before it will start all these rubbish moves. But big banks, we don't control the market. We are just traders are they control the market. I just do my analysis, trade it, and see the outcome, right? Of course, right now we took about 50 pips this morning. It's still cool, but let's see how far it can move. You see what GU is doing? Let's try to see. uh, Come on, GU. Oh my god, this is how they manipulate the market, man. You see a lot of crazy stuffs going on, especially if you go down to 1 minute time from now, you might get mad, man. You don't, you'll be able to know exactly what's going on. Come on, GU. What's going on, man? Manipulation going on. Let's try to see if they will continue shooting down to the downside or it will shoot up again. But I don't trust this move right now. I don't trust it because the retracement come down very early. This was an early retracement. Uh, that was a retracement. I mean, that was an early retracement. So, of course, let's try to see what's going on. Because 1 hour candle is about to close now. So we might see crazy moves in the market. So 1 hour candle, very crazy, man. Very crazy. It is very crazy. You know, it is 1 hour time frame. Oh my god, I don't trust this move that is happening on this particular period. All of these selling points, this is just manipulation, and this is not real. This is not a real move, man. I need a move that can say, okay, it is going. If it's going to the upside now, I can now say, okay, this is a perfect move, and let's try to see what's going on though, because uh, we aren't controlling the market. I'm not controlling the market. Market makers control the market. So let's see how far they can continue. Manipulation. That's what I heard in the forex market, man. They manipulate it a lot. Big banks, come on, man. Big banks are playing with us. Big banks, okay. Come on, big banks. We are here. We are here. So, gotta see. It's gonna go. Come on. Where are you going? Let me finish modifying this particular trade so that let's see where the potential. Can I put it here? Put this 29538, right? 29538. How to put this here? Do this. So 953 is. Okay. Come on, let's go to second take profit. 80 pips, 80 pips. That's what I'm smelling. 538. Come on, Gio. Come on, Gio. Come on, Gio. You can move, man. You can move. I know you can do this. I know you can do this. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's try to see GG. Oh, as you can see, GG as well is moving, right? But we are not trading GJ today. We are trading GU. Where is as you can see, Euro USD is still playing across this my support line. Let's try to see how all of this, you know. Um, well, you hope you guys took some profit. Where is okay? GBP USD. That's what we're in, right? Come on. Messages are too much, man. You guys will hear this a lot. Notifications, rather, because it is not money that I'm getting. Thank you very much for messaging me, guy. I'll answer your message after the live session. Yeah, if you just want to connect with me, my Telegram chat link or my Telegram, everything is gonna be down in the description below. Oh, still we enter. I just entered once and I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. I didn't get out. I just secured some profit. 1 hour candle has been closed. 1 hour candle has been closed. So yeah, if you want to message me or if you want to ask some questions, my Telegram link is going to be in the description. It's going to be everywhere. You join our Telegram channel. We do share a lot of stuff right there as well. And also, if you want to just connect with me, I'm typing my. You can message me right on Telegram. So when I'm free, I'll try on the outside, right? So I think I'm typing my Telegram. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my Instagram account, man. Based on I messaged nobody, I did nobody, but just like ever since then they say they will release it in 24 hours. There's nothing. So anyhow, haters are doing all these kind of things. I don't care. I don't care about it. Because I'm not staying because of social medias, right? So whatsoever, all of this your effort, because I know that a lot of people they just don't like what I'm doing right here, and of course I do this because of based on my knowledge, and you guys are seeing it live and direct. We analyze it, we do everything, and you take the trade as well. I take it as well. But what it doesn't make sense because maybe somebody is not making money in the forex market and someone is making it. That's how it's supposed to be made. All of us can't be making money. Then how do you think either big banks or the brokers? How do you think they would sustain the business? Of course, even me, that there's a day that I do lose money, and there's a day that I do win money. So if I lose, definitely I'm kind of paying brokers. I'm just kind of giving them my money to keep for me, right? Of course, when I'm back, definitely I gotta bring that money back, man. So thank you for God because of the wisdom, because of the knowledge, because of the understanding, because of everything. We give glory to God. Uh, so all thanks, all glory be to Him. So yeah, I'm still expecting GBPUSD to continue buying all the way to where my final take profit is, which is about 81 pips. Come on, GU, let's go, man. Uh, I know you can do this. So, if the banks are ready to move the market, they'll move it. But if they are ready to kind of prove that they are stubborn or prove that they are the one that is controlling the market, they can do whatsoever they want. But right here, we are just doing our technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentimental analysis. Those are three types of analysis that we have in the forex market. Keep it at the back of your mind. We have technical analysis, we have fundamental analysis, we have sentimental analysis. So those are the three types of market analysis that we have. So yeah, that's all about it, man. So come on, GU, we need you to move, man. Second take profit, that's what I want. All these moves is not valid. Except you hit my second take profit, then I'll count you as valid. Come on, let's go, man. Because right now, I don't count it as a valid move, except we hit our second take profit. What do you guys think? Don't you need a second take profit hit? Hmm? If you don't need it, I need it. So, okay, today is NFP. Let me try to read comments as well. Somebody is saying, still will enter. Remember, today is NFP, so the market will be volatile. I know. You don't need for see, guys. I constantly be checking fundamental analysis. I know when it's NFP. I know which one is news. I know all of these things. In the night I check it, morning I check it, afternoon I check it. Even right now, you can see on screen, right here. You can see here. I'm checking fundamentals. You can see. I'm checking fundamentals as well. I'm not just based off technical analysis. This is the time for NFP, and we still have about how many hours left? We still have about 4 hours left for the NFP. 4 hours. So I'm not just trading without checking the fundamentals or without checking some stuff, right? I do check fundamentals as well. So, but thank you for reminding me though. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So if there's anything that I just maybe forget or whatever, thank you very much. And do you also trade VIX boom and crash? I don't trade VIX. I don't trade a boom and crash, but I trade volatility 75. I trade that, but right now, I'm not interested in trading the volatility 75 based on I'm seeing some things that is happening in the market. So as you can see, this is volatility 75 for our time frame, right? So you can see it's trying to go to the upside, but the real move is not gonna go to the upside. Definitely, it have to finish it have to finish this move to the downside to right here first before I can say okay it's gonna go to the upside fully, right? Because right now even if it comes to this level, I'm not interested. Let it just continue going. Let it go to heaven. I'm not interested in trading it. I will just be watching it. Let it do whatsoever you want to do. Patient matters, man. So I'm patiently waiting for this volatility 75 to do what I personally like. Without that, I'm not interested in trading it. I have to have my confirmations and I have to have my signal confluences before I can now know okay volatility 75 is going to completely buy in or is going to completely continue selling, right? So right now I'm not interested in buying or selling volatility 75. So come on, man. We are still here waiting for our second check profit, right? Okay, that's cool. Yeah, thank you very much, D Money. I know you are here, man, to support me, right? I know you are here to support us as well. Thank you very much for the support, man. Uh, that's how they are doing. That's how they are doing. Of course, I before we start the session, I sent links to my channel, to my group, everywhere. I sent it. I even start the analysis, start everything right here. Tell them that it's going to buy before the move, right? And of course, it moved to the upside, and now we took 50 pips. We took 50 pips profit. So definitely, no matter how it is, I've seen a lot, man. I've seen a lot. I've seen haters. I've seen lovers. I've seen everything. I've seen it, and they were abusing. They've even reported my Instagram. You know that I don't personally use Instagram. I just open Instagram for the sake of my YouTube channel and things like that. So now they say I have to provide my information. Of course, I provided everything, proof that I don't scam nobody. I message nobody. I don't. I do any. I don't do anything. But you know that Instagram, they are somehow crazy, right? So they say they are going to uh, you know, they are going to release the account in 24 hours. So right now, I'm still waiting for the 24 hours. If I log into my account, they will say, wait, please wait. They will release it in 24 hours, right? I'm still waiting. They release it, I'm okay. They didn't release it, I'm still okay. I'm still, who am I? I'm not changing. So thank you very much for my haters out there. What all I need from you is, even if you hate me, don't hate my video, don't hate my YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That's all I need from you. But continue to help me. Thank you very much. All I need is your view and your subscription. That's what I need from you. Come on, GU. What's happening? GU is kind of crazy right now. Starting to be crazy again. So thank you very much for everybody that support us out there. We are all about trying to unblock the forex secret for you guys. So that's how it is. Of course, I've tried my best to start live streaming, live trade with you, so that you can see my psychology, so that you can see what I'm seeing in the forex market to trade. You know, just maybe but not possible, man. Not possible to have all lovers. Even Jesus Christ, he was not loved on this earth. He was not loved. He got a lot of haters, a lot of things, and there you go. We are now here. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. Thank you very much, D-Money. Once more again, you are here, man, to support us. Thank you very much. I give you thumbs up for that. And Sarah say, he said that keep doing what you're doing, Israel. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, by the grace of God, I'll continue doing what I'm doing right here, you know. Leave the haters and let them be. Yeah, for sure. I will try and leave them, and that's what I'm trying to do. If fine, you see, we love you, bro. Love you too. Love you too, man. We love everyone, you know, because all of us are human beings. So no need for us to be hating everyone, you know. So let's try to continue with our trade, right? We're gonna continue with our trade, and so that's all about it, man. That's all about it. It's happening with G. Come on, man. Manipulations is going on, man. So because of these manipulations, let's see what will happen, right? We don't control the market. Market makers control the market. So all we do is analysis, and you know, there you go. Just get into buy or sell in the forex market. Let's try to see what will happen though, because okay, somebody's saying let's get these pips, bro. Yeah, for sure, man. Like enough pips out here for everyone. Here, that's good. Get your skills up, nice content, Israel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The time you give to us is priceless. Thank you very much. Thank you for. I appreciate everyone. Even the haters, I appreciate them, because if they can just come, view, like, and drop their head message, you know, we thank for them. Thanks. We thank them, man. Oh my goodness, you know. Okay, let's go, man. You know, whenever time I see these hate messages, hate comments, all things like that, I would just be laughing and say, these people, they don't know what they are doing right here. Yeah, something happened yesterday though. Something happened yesterday. Somebody was kind of trying to pay for was it Signal Group? I think it was Signal Group. He said I want to join my Signal, things like that. I told him that okay, accept payment method is payment methods, and he said that he don't use all of that. All he use is paper, right? I told him I don't use paper and I don't accept paper. He said he's going to report me, going to do everything because I don't accept paper. I said, what's wrong with that? Is it because I don't accept paper? Then you're going to report me? He said, yes, he's going to report me, he's going to block me, he's going to, you know, kind of leave my channel, unsubscribe from my YouTube channel, you know, just do anything possible. I said, well, no problem. I have no problem with that. All I know is I just don't accept paper. Of course he did. He did leave the channel. He did block me. I did everything possible. I said, well, no problem. Thank you for doing that. You know, that's how it is. That's how it is, man. Because somebody cannot pay, or me, I'm not accepting paper. You just go ahead and block me, and I don't message you, do anything. You message me asking for my Signal VIP Signal channel. Of course, I told you I charge $50 for it. Then because I shared my payment method and I don't use paper, then you say you're going to block me. That's crazy, man. So I just kind of think, how do these kind of people be profitable trading forex? Why you are doing some things like stay focused, try and learn, improve every day. You know, even me myself, I'm still learning and I'm still back testing a lot of things in the forex market, right? So that's it about that's all about it, guys. Just learning never end, man. I don't know everything, but I'm trying my best to know more, right? I'm trying my best to know more so that I can share my knowledge with others. So day in, day out, I'm here on the chat trying to analyze, trying to just you know, prove that we can do it in the first. Of course, I didn't achieve anything in life. I didn't achieve anything. So all of us are still here trying to make it in the first market. And by the grace of God, we will make it if we just stay consistent, right? So that's all about it. I didn't trade, but I learned more from you. Okay, M and K, thank you very much. You know, since you are learning, that's very good as well. So all you need to do is try and backtest the strategy, backtest what you've learned on maybe demo accounts, so that you can be having confidence enough uh, whenever time you're trying to execute trade on your live account, right? So backtesting help you to be confident in your trade so that you know what exactly is working for you, right? And one I say hello Israel, yeah, hello, 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 welcome, welcome. Very few people do what you are doing now. I appreciate. Well done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate it as well. Thank you very much. You know, I bought all the fake softwares out there, and I blew and blew and blew. Now Israel just opened my eyes. Wow. You know, people see, to be honest, guys, there's something that is happening in the forex market. You know, a lot of people out there are just sharing results, right? So even if it is even if it is a demo result, and if you see that the person is kind of consistent, I don't judge nobody because you are trading demo or you are trading this thing. Maybe you don't have your capital to trade on your life account, right? Then you are trading demo account. We know that emotions is not there if you are trading demo account, right? But are you consistent on that demo account? Are you consistent on it? If you are consistently trading demo and you are profitable on your demo, and you prove to people that hey, you know what you are doing in the forex market, there's no problem with that, because the person that is trading the demo, he or she knows exactly what he or she is doing in the forex market, right? And is profitable with his strategy, right? But a lot of people, they trade demo while they are not profitable in the forex market. See, let me show you what some people are doing, guys. They'll buy on this account, sell on this account. So they have two demo account, two separate demo account, right? They'll buy on this, sell on this. So anyone that be in profit, they will show you the one that's in profit. They will not show you what is in negative. The account that is in negative, they will not show you that. They will show you the one that is in profit. So that's how you filter them out. But so far, like the way we are doing right here, we trade live with you. You see what we are doing, and we don't just maybe gamble the market or try to say this one will be say, let's just sell on this account, let's buy it on this account. You know what I'm saying? The thing there is the thing there is, are you able to be consistent trading forex? Are you, you know, are you for real that you are doing, that you know what you are doing here? You know, do you know what it takes to be profitable in the forex market? Do you know risk management, all these kind of things? You know, that's what we are supposed to be looking at, not if you are trading demo or if you are trading a real account, right? Of course we know emotion is not there, but if somebody is consistently profitable on demo, definitely when that particular person start trading on real accounts, the person will be profitable on a real account as well. You know, so that's why they call it demonstration account, right? You demonstrate your skills first before you kind of practicalize it on your real account. So try first of all and learn either on your demo account. After practicing on demo account, use deposit and start practicalizing it on your real account, right? Of course, some people they might be showing you Lamborghinis. Definitely, maybe some of those Lamborghini they just hire it for the sake of that particular show, right? So what I'm trying to say is, it's not by Lamborghini, man. It's not by Lamborghini. It's all about knowledge. It's all about knowledge. Knowledge matters a lot in the forex market. Knowledge matters a lot in the forex market. Just keep this at the back of your mind. Knowledge matters a lot. I kind of keep on saying this, and I will, keep on saying it. Knowledge matters, not by okay, today I'm profitable. Nah, it's not by that. Of course, some people out there, they tell me I still signal from some people. I still this. I don't know what forex market is. I don't provide my signal. I don't do a lot of. Oh my god! If you see the kind of messages that I'm just receiving day in day out, man, you say, "Hey Israel, what's going on?" but but all of those messages, when I see them, I will laugh. I was going to post it. What's going on, man? you mean I'm doing this? You mean I'm doing that? So it is what it is, and we are doing this. That's it, man. So let's go. All that matters to us is we are here catching our pips. This is pips headquarters. This week so far, to be honest with you guys, there's nothing like stop loss hit for me. Not stop loss hits. You can confirm on either my VIP channel or my premium channel or my free Telegram channel. No stop loss hit, man. No stop loss hit. So thank God for that. We are thanking God for that. We took about getting to 400 pips now this week. No stop loss. Of course, 130 of that pips was taken on my YouTube channel live and direct. And today we took about 50 pips today again. That's about 180 pips taken live and direct on this particular my channel. So 50, our first live stream, we took 30 pips, right? Second live stream, we took 100 pips on GBP And today again, live stream again, we took about 50 pips. And right now, we are expecting our last profit to be hit for 81 pips, right? So of course, it will be like 200 plus or several pips that we'll be taking on this live stream, right? Of course, we thank God for the opportunity and everything that is providing to us, right? So that's it, man. Let's wait for second take profit hit right now. So just believe in God, trust your analysis, trust what you do, and you go and you'll be profitable in the forex market. But first of all, don't forget about God, man. Don't forget about God. Let's put God first, and everything will be added onto us. That's the first thing. Our top priority is God. You know that fear of God is beginning of wisdom, right? So that's what we are trying to develop right here. We are all humans. We are all humans. So let's respect, everybody. Let's respect everyone. So whether you are small, you are big, you are new trader, you are good trader. I have respect for you. I respect everyone. I respect everyone. And hopefully by the grace of God, we'll continue respecting everyone like that. So we thank God for the kind of heart and for the knowledge. That's why we just keep on thanking Him. We can't thank Him enough. Come on, GU now is going for our second check profit for about 81 pips, right? Let's go, man. So we are waiting for the second check profit to hit. Okay, let me try to be reading the comments now so that I can keep on touch with you guys, right? In touch with you. So Israel is nah, professor. Hey, I'm just trying to be myself and prove to people what I can do, right? What I'm able to do. So whether some people say I'm professional, I'm not professional, I'm still learning whatsoever, you know, I don't care about that. All I know is I believe in myself and I trust myself. So that's all about me. But some people they'll just message me, hey Israel, are you trading live account? I do you know what you are doing in the forex market? Are you not fake fake trader? You don't know, you still signal. Say, come on, man. What are you talking about? Come on, let's go to YouTube. Let's go live on YouTube. Let's go live on YouTube. You know. Of course, we are here live and direct. So I don't know if they are watching us or not. Come on, let's go. So Israel, thank you for putting the human factor back into the forex, into forex and helping us. God bless you, brother. So thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate every one of you guys. You know, I can't just appreciate how you guys are supporting us and how you guys are helping us to achieve what we want to achieve, to help us accomplish what we are what we've established or what we've started doing right here on YouTube, on Telegram, whatsoever means of social media platforms, right? So thank you. If not because of you guys, I wouldn't have been here. And GU is finding support at 1.29999 before more push to the upside. Yeah, for sure. Of course, it's now pushing to the upside. And somebody saying buy now. Oh, buy now. Buy has gone, and as you can see right now, it's going for our second take profit. Would have bought it right when I drew this my zone right here. You know, come on, GU. But so G is gonna hit our second take profit. Hopefully, that's what I'm expecting, and that's what I'm waiting for from this GBP USD, right? Come on, GU, let's go, man, let's go, GU. I need a second take profit hit. That's what I want. Yeah, come on, let's go, man. Trading, trading is very simple. Trading is very simple, to be honest with you. Trading is very very simple, but it's not easy. But it's not easy. You have to stay active. You have to be consistently checking chart. You have to like 24 hour, 7 days a week. We have to be doing all those kind of things. So that's it. That's it. That's all about it. And forex trading is really so. Yeah, let's try and wait for breakout of this particular zone because this is like major resistance level now, according to how I'm seeing it. Right. So once you break out of this level, definitely is gonna come to our second TP, which is um 81 pips right here. So let's try and wait for that. Of course, let's try and check in the card on all of this. GG, I know GG was okay. GG also is trying to go up. So all I need from GU now is for it to break out of this. To be honest, once it's able to, you know why I drew these since, right? As you can, this major resistance right here, major resistance trying to react to it, and so on. So I'm expecting GU to break out of it in order for it to continue going up to the upside, or and in order for it to hit our final take profit. There's a reason behind why I put our last take profit right here. There's a reason behind it. Where I put our last take profit, as you see it, right, right here. Well, we're supposed to put it right here. About I'm trying to calculate it. How many pips is this? Okay, this is about 68 pips. Okay, it would have been 70 pips, right? But based on I usually go for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's why we go for 81 pips since we are risking 41 pips right here. And of course we took 50 pips right now, so we are still waiting for it to so that it will continue going up, right? Yeah, so this is how we trade, man. This is how we trade. Thank God for the opportunity and everything that He has been giving us. And somebody buy now, and please don't be distracted by haters. Yeah, thank you very much for the for the words of encouragement and everything, right? Of course, I will not be distracted by haters. So I know that's their efforts. That's their effort to just discourage me and stop doing what I'm doing right here on YouTube, on Telegram, and things like that. Of course, I'm just trying to help other traders to be profitable in the forex market, right? And of course, when it comes to trading, all of us think of business. You already know that as I'm doing live streaming, it's not free. So as I'm helping you, I will be thinking that okay, this is another business opportunity, right? So it will be like kind of business factor. Let me just kind of inform you guys. It is a business, so we have to be thinking like that. And I thank God I came across ITT. This is where I will be belong, working on subscribing to VIP first, then mentorship. Israel is very open. I love you, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really, really love you as well. And thank you for coming here as well. Wana, I really appreciate it. Oh, we thank you, man. Thank you. I can't just I don't know how to start appreciating you guys. So yeah, here we go now with this GBP USD, waiting for our second take profit to be hit. But most importantly, let's see if it will break out of this. If it will break out of this zone, right? Let's try to wait for that. Of course, I told you that I've secured some profit because that's very very important. Secure some profit, and we continue. We continue doing it because running profit does not belong to you, man. Uh, Secured profit is what belongs to us. That's how it is. That's how forex market is. So it is. That's why you see me at times. I not at times. I usually put my first take profit, second take profit, and third take profit because maybe a lot of new traders. Yeah, a lot of new traders. Uh, they are not just going to be taking profit, maybe securing some profit, right? So that's why you see me sending first TP, second TP, and third TP because of we don't want to be greed in the forex market. It is very important for us to secure our profit. That's what we are doing right here. So that's it, man. And it is what it is. We are still trading forex, and we thank God for the opportunity and everything that He has given to us. So come on, just secure some profit now. So is there any pair that you guys are still looking at? When did you start trading? Man, I started trading 2017. I started trading 2017, but but nobody was kind of having idea of what I was doing. I'm a self-taught trader, man. I'm a self-trader, and there was a time that I was trying to help some people out that maybe if I'm helping them, then some people will trust them, right? Then I started saying that they are my mentors. I mentored Israel. I mentored this. I said, come on, man. When did you mentor me? You know. uh, if you see me subscribing to any platform, I just want to check out their course. Of course, I subscribe to a lot of people. I check out. Let me just start telling you, it's only IML that I didn't check out. I check out jackpot strategy. I checked it out. Um, Mamba FX, if you guys know Mamba FX, I checked him out. Um, this guy as well, Savage, Daniel Savage, I checked him out. And who is this person again? A lot of them, man. And JTech Profit, if you guys know JTech Profit, I do check their courses. Not that I want to still learn from them. I just want to be seeing how far and if they are doing what they are exactly saying on the on YouTube. You know that a lot of information that is just moving around the forex market. Somebody will be telling you that, hey, I'm making money, or I know what I'm doing. Why they are buying on this account and selling on this account. So I wanted to check them on myself and confirm if it is real or if their strategy is working, right? Not that I don't have my strategy. Of course, as you can see, this is my strategy and this is what I'm doing. So thank God for the opportunity, right? So I do check them. I do check them to just kind of see how far they are doing. Okay, somebody saying it's going to come to 1.2915, right? Before it continue going up to the upside. But we're trying to see, as you can see, it's trying to break out of this. Once it break out of this, definitely our second take profit is going to hit. Then uh there we go. We now will secure the profit and see what's gonna happen. So literally this week I took about 200 pips on this particular pair being GBP USD. 200 pips on GBP USD alone. Of course, I sent the signal and everything to my students, to my VIP students, to every all of my platforms. I do send it. Of course, they know that I do it. If they are here in live or this live session, they can test to that. I do everything, and I do send the analysis. And let them continue hurting us, man. We are just here. Anybody that want pips, this pips headquarter. um, so somebody is saying that 3 years and you are here, great man. Yeah, thank you very much for that. 3 years, man. We are here. Of course, I had no idea of I'm going to start YouTube channel. It was I can remember somebody that suggested to me that I should just start YouTube channel. I know Ray did. Yeah, I think he was Ray, right? Yeah, Ray. Somebody Larry, right? I think Larry. Yeah, somebody from US as well. Did tell me I should start a YouTube channel. Of course, I think about it. Come on, GU. Come on, GU. Hit our second check profit for 80 pips, man. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, GU. Come on. We need this, man. Come on, GU. Hit it. 81 pips coming. 81 pips coming. Come on, GU. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Haha. Final check profit got triggered, man. Smashed 81 pips. So that's how we do it, man. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. 81 pips in take profit. So yeah, you guys saw it. But because of my broker, my last take profit was not yet triggered. So I'll still wait for it to be triggered by my broker. My broker is still working towards that, right? Of course, G is trying to calm down. No, he's not going to calm down. You must do it. Broker, come on, broker. Come on, why my broker is messing up like this, man? Of course, we have a final take profit hit right here. So GBP USD hit. So that's all about it, man. That's 81 pips, final TP. So that's how we do things, man. Yeah, that's how we do it. There's no doubt about it. And you know, once you know what you do in the forex market, it is very simple and easy. So final take profit smashed on GBP USD for 81 pips, right? So that's it. And do you guys have or any particular pair that you guys are looking at so that time to go sleep, gotta wake up in 2 hours? That's cool, man. So that's how we do it. You can go and sleep, but you know it is morning in my country. It is 9:43 a.m. So we are still active. I'm still active. Any updates on USDMXN? Let me try. I will try to check USDMXN as well. I will check it for you. So that's all about it. And let me try and screenshot this and send it to our group so that final TV hit. So that's how we do it, and you know it's very simple. Okay, yeah, I'll try to check USDMXN now, and then I'll try to update you guys. Um, China. Sorry guys, I'm trying to type some stuff here. You know. Um, so that's all about it, and that's how we do things. So of course, I'm still seeing G reacted to this particular resistance level right here, and didn't close above it, right? So we might see some sort of a move to the downside a little bit before it will continue going up, but we'll see if it will still break out of this uh, resistance line. If it break out of it, thank God for that, and it will continue going up to the upside, because I'm not okay how far it didn't break close above this, and it still need to break out of this and close above it and continue going up, then possibly come up to this level before it will come down and retest again, continue going to the upside. But we'll try to see how far we can go about this, right? So that's about it. That's all about it, you know. um so somebody saying yes, it's good, check it out, we all do. Okay, let me try and be reading these comments now, because I want to just be keeping in touch with you guys. um who you follow when you are learning and watch book you are read. Usually I did tested all of this strategy. What do you used to call, I followed, who was that person, kind of forgot about it, but I know that I tested moving averages. I tested stochastic. I tested stochastic. I tested this RSI. I tested what is it called? The other. Okay, so let me just try and tell you. So RSI and stochastic oscillator, I was using it for divergence. Of course, if you are still trading, a lot of people are still um, so I use it for divergence, but I kind of ever since then I kind of left them, all of them. Not that I don't know how to use this 50 moving average, 200 moving average, 100 moving average, stochastic oscillator, RSI, um, and you can just continue naming all these indicators, right? Not that I don't know how to use them. I know how to use them, but they lag behind. I found them lagging. So they lag behind, and that's one of the reasons why I don't like using them. And if you want to see clearly what's going on in the forex market, you're supposed to be trading naked chart. As you can see right here, we trade naked chart, and today we took about 81 pips on this particular move, being a GBP USD, right? So naked chart, I found it the best in order for you to be trading or to be profitable in the forex market. And of course, like I've said earlier on, that I tested um, a lot of indicators, right? And when I was kind of trying to learn how to trade, I spent whole 1 year doing rubbish, doing rubbish. I do this, I do this, I do that, I do this, doing a lot of things. And okay, there's another babypips.com. You guys know of babypips.com, right? Babypips.com. I think I started. Yeah, I think I kind of check some things here as well. What is it called? But babypips.com, they tell you what is it called? It stochastic. All these indicators they give you, but they didn't go in details, in depth of how you can get an entry point, exit, and all of those things. So baby pips, they can introduce you to forex. Yeah. So babypips.com is like all these IML, all these stuff, right? So when you come to education, so how to trade forex, you can start the course and track your progress whatsoever. They say unlock tracking, sign in, now start the course. So as you can see, what is forex? They start from here, going down how do you trade forex and things like that, right? But right here they don't show you how you can be profitable, how you can get an entry point and exit point. Of course, here you can see maybe get an knowledge about forex, um, like plotting your support and resistance. But still here, guys, there's a lot of information missing here on this babypips.com. See, when it comes to forex market, nobody is willing to give you everything free. Nobody in this forex market is willing to give you something free of charge without you paying them, because you don't know what it takes for that particular person to be in his position, right? And a lot of new traders, they might be thinking, hey, it's not because of forex trading. He charged $1,000, he charged $2,000 for his course and things like that. I know a lot of so-called forex traders are fake, right? Especially those people that they are selling indicators online. Or anybody that I see selling indicator is fake, because indicator is not. It can't make you profitable in the forex. To be honest with you guys, it can't make you to be profitable in the forex market. To be honest with you, I have to be honest with you. So anything that won't make you to be profitable right here in forex, I will tell you that, okay, this is what can help you, this is what is not going to help you, and this is how you can exactly do what we are doing in the forex, right? So to be honest, If you are just buying indicator saying it will tell you when to buy, it will tell you when to sell, it will, what you are seeing is just the past data. It doesn't move with the current price. So if you see anybody proving to you that, okay, if you just scroll to the backside now to the previous data now, you see that if it is going to sell, it's going to tell you is red. If it is going to go to the upside, is maybe green or so. But in my case, I use white and red, right? Then but if you come to current price, what color is it showing? Is it showing the green, or is it showing the red? Nothing, right? So how can you be profitable with that kind of indicator whereby it's just showing you previous data? It will just be showing previous data, what has happened in the market. They took the previous data to kind of tell you that, okay, this is what is happening and this indicator is working. It doesn't move with the current price action. It doesn't move with the current price action. And of course, you see that I trade naked chart and price action. That's my strategy. That's what I use to trade in the forex market. So we need something that moves with the current price, not showing us previous data. You know what I'm talking about? Of course, you can use previous data to kind of back test, but not to prove that your indicator or whatsoever is working in the forex market. So right here, know how to use price action. That's all you need. Know how to use price action and naked chart. Don't just stay all trust indicators. No, never trust that. Never trust that, man. See, I'm open to everyone. I'm open to everyone, and I'm not abusing all these people that are kind of trading with indicators and things like that, right? All I'm saying is um, I'm showing you what can help you in the forex market, what can help you from now henceforth, right? So if you just continue buying indicators, buying signals, of course, the reason why I even decided to open this signal group of which I'm running right now, $50 a month. I'm just kind of curious about some people that they haven't tested my signal, they haven't tested anything. So some people might be interested in testing it for some months first. After they have trust in me that, okay, Israel know exactly what's doing here in the forex market, then definitely they can trust me to pay for the mentorship or to come and be with us in mentorship group and mentorship channel, right? So that's one of the idea that I just kind of come with. Say, okay, yeah, it is true. They can just be testing the signal first to see how far, um, to see how far I'm progressing in the forex market, right? So that's the reason why I even decided to open the signal. Not that I want to just be providing signal to masses out there, so that they can be having take profit hit or take profit hit, take profit hit, and they'll be enjoying the money. They don't know how it's done in the forex market, right? What if I'm not there tomorrow? Who will be giving you um, the signals? Who will be giving you the signal? You tell me who will be giving you the signal. God forbid, even if I'm not available or I'm kind of ill, who will be giving the signal? Will I just be in hospital analyzing the chart while I'm not even in my sense at all? I won't be able to analyze. See, trading forex need you to calm down, remove all noise on your chart, remove anything that can distract you, then focus on an analysis, focus on it. If there is a fundamental analysis, I deal with three type of analysis in the forex market. I deal with the fundamental analysis, but my top is technical analysis. So I do the technical analysis, I come down to fundamental analysis, then sentimental analysis. So those are the three type of analysis that we do in the forex market. And as you can confirm it, that thank God it's kind of working out for us, right? So of course you have to focus on what is working already, not what is what you are going to be figuring out maybe is working or is not working. The reason why you guys will be kind of happy that we have a lot of good forex mentors now. It is because my time I had no idea of what is what is what is mentorship or what is no. Anything that I didn't understand, I was just trying to go to YouTube, search for it, clarify myself, and if still yet is not I'm not satisfied with my answer, I will try my best that I can to just solve my problem, right? But me going for a mentorship, say okay, let me go for this, go for that. I didn't have any idea of doing something like. Of course, it is very good. So if you have some mentor that can really show you how to do it in the forex market, or they really know what they do here in the forex market, you know, you can easily grab how to trade forex. That's why you have forex mentors, because mentors, they've already back tested what is happening and how that particular thing is working, and they've already back tested their strategy maybe for years. Like in my case now, I've been just doing rubbish for 1 year, right? And when it comes to trade again, they have confidence in what they do because they've already uh, back tested it and confirmed that okay, this particular thing, if I do it like this, it's working. If I do it like this, it's not working, and things like that. So that's another thing that you guys have to keep in mind. So forex mentorship or mentors, they help you to kind of learn forex fast. They help you to learn forex fast. Of course, if you don't want to learn forex fast, you can just go and start learning on your or maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. We don't know. I don't have an estimate time that you can be profitable trading it, right? But in my case, I spent 1 year just moving around, trading this, test this. I wasn't serious about it and uh, start trading it. Start testing a lot of things, right? So that's when it comes to forex mentorship, they will show you what is already working or what is already working, not what is what they are still back testing or they don't have confidence in what they do, right? So forex mentorship is very very important for you guys if you want to learn forex very early or if you want to grab it quick, right? Of course, here don't think that because you are having good mentors, then you make money very quick, very fast in the forex market. No, don't even trying to think about that. So forex is a gradual process. Think of it as a process. Gradually, you're going, going. Think long term. Think long term. Today you learn support and resistance. Tomorrow you learn market patterns. So next tomorrow you learn market structures. Next tomorrow you learn risk management. Next you learn this. You learn that. You learn this. That's how you can progress, and that's why I say is a process. And even if it's a process, it's a gradual process. Gradually from step by step, you be kind of moving, right? That's how it's done. And if you have a mentor, then your mentor can tell you, hey, this is what you can do right, and this thing that you are doing, it is wrong, and this is how you can do it, that's how you can do it, and things like that. So it is very good for you to know how you can play it out in the forex market. So that's all about it, guys. And I think my broker didn't trigger my take profit. Let me close them here. Let me not get greedy, and my broker will try to, because of what else you call it, yeah, closed about 1.7 now. Still have 330 something dollars in profit, or running in profit. So yeah, that's how we can do it, guys. So it is very very good for you to have a forex mentor. I'm not saying they are bad, they are not bad, but at least try and look out for a good good mentor, or it mustn't be me. It mustn't be me. A lot of forex traders are much more better than me. So you can look around and see which one you like. Which one you like. If you like what I'm doing, you can subscribe with us. If you like what some forex traders are doing, you can subscribe with them. Forex is forex. Money is money. If you are trading forex, you are profitable. No, it doesn't matter what you are using. Doesn't matter what you're using, whether you're using indicator. So far, is real and profitable. Back tested, confirmed it, and have trust in that particular thing. Money is money. Profit is profit. You can use it. That's how you can do it, man. So that's how forex trading is very simple. Very, very simple and easy, very simple and easy to use. you know so yeah, let me try to go to comment and see what you guys are saying, right? Where did I stop? Okay, somebody was saying who you follow when you were learning, and which book you read. Yeah, I didn't read any book. I didn't follow anybody, but I kind of tested a lot of people by subscribing to their mentorship and things like that. But that was after I'm profitable in the forex market, not when I was learning, right? So basically, what I did is I just went to anything I'm kind of not uh, sure of it. Then I do go to this YouTube and baby pips to just check them out. And if I still can't find answer, I will just come to my screen like this, start thinking about it, back test it, and see how I can be profitable, right? So that's how it is. Not maybe doing no, no, not doing a lot of things. You know, I just did everything myself. So I'm a self-taught trader, man. And let me try to go. What about Jason Greystone? Jason Greystone? Nah. Uh, have I heard of this Jason? No, no, no. Who is this? Can you just let me know who is this? Jason Greystone. I've not heard of. I've not heard of him. Just let me know. And okay, we have another one here. Self-taught. Wow, imagine that. Yeah, for sure, bro. Colin Sacco. Yeah, that's it. And you say that yes, it's good to check out. We all do. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's finish with the comment first. Somebody say yes. Good stuff. Yeah. Thank you very much, Miguel. And time to go to sleep. Gotta wake up in 2 hours for work, love. Okay. Yeah. You go and sleep, man. Go and sleep. Have a rest. And any updates on USDMXN? Okay. I'll try to check USDMXN right away. Um, though the analysis for it was for my students. So the analysis it was for my students. And I see, yeah. So we have a doji now, but it will go up to the upside. I'm expecting this USDMXN to buy. So maybe you can use this breakout strategy. I use a lot of things, man, and all of these things I come up with them by myself. But this breakout strategy, we have sessions that we do use them, and you have to be used to what is happening, right? So it depends on the session that you are trading. So the reason why I want to kind of show you breakout strategy on this particular pair being USDMXN, it is because it does obey breakout strategy a lot. So it does obey this breakout. And we are trying to, as you can see, it's trying to make move to the downside, making lower low, lower high, and rather maybe come down for another lower low. So we're trying to look out for, but definitely it's going to buy to the upside. All this move, it is not valid. You just try to get all these traders that are emotionally upset whenever they are in trade and things like that. So we'll see what will happen next. But this confirmation is not yet good for me. Based on, I have to see break out of this before I will consider it as it will continue going to the upside. As you can see, it's shooting to the downside now. According to my analysis that I did on 4-hour time frame, you all see that this was just a retracement. Of course, I did it and I say it will come down for retracement before continuing to buy, right? This analysis was done for my students and I sent it to them, right? So that's it for the USDMXN. I will wait for it to start buying before you can buy it. But right now, see, patient is the best, man. You have to be patient in the forex market. You have to be patient in the forex market. So yeah, I think hope that's answered your question, right? Dan, any update on USDMXN? I think it has answered your question, hopefully. And somebody said my second live trade with you made profit. Tell me how do I get in your VIP and how much and how much, and I would like to know about membership. Yeah, okay. Thank you. First of all, thank you very much for coming again. We had our first trade with you, and it was profitable, right? And this is second trade, and still you are profitable in the forex market, right? About my mentorship, we charge. About the VIP Signal group, we charge $50 for that, and you know that we don't share any educational things. Only we don't teach you forex there. We don't do anything, but we provide signal for you. We just provide signal for you. Buy this, I'm buying this, I'm selling this, take profit update, stop loss update, and things like that. That's all is happening on VIP channel. But for mentorship, you know that as of now, the price has increased. We charge $300 for now. 300, that's what we're charging. If my website is out, you guys are going to see it, and you guys will be able to book for 101 course if you need 101 course, right? So we are still developing everything. Even the website is going to get Android app. It's going to get Android app for you. You'll be able to use it on your Android phone and things like that. It will be ITT. We are trying to prove to people that here everyone can do it in the forex market, and we know what we are doing right here. So we charge it, and once the website is out, you will see details of a lifetime mentorship, 1 year mentorship, 101 course. Everything is going to be live and direct on the website as well. So hope that answered your question, right, Hester? I hope that answered your question. So Israel showing them the way. Yeah, exactly, sir. We are trying to we are trying to see we are trying to see what's gonna happen. And so this guy right here is something else. Don't play with him. Let's go. Yes, bro. Come on, let's go, man. It is what it is. We are just ready, man. uh, uh, and Colin said naked chai is the best. For sure that it is. It is the best, and we are trying to show people the way how they can trade in the forest, because I see a lot of people, they just believe in they just believe in cheap things. See, guys, I'm not saying that if somebody is charging about what is it called, about $1,000 or um $5,000 on their course, that doesn't mean that their course is legitimate and they know exactly what they do in the forex market. No, that's not the case. Somebody's course can be even $50, still yet they know what they do in the forex market, right? So the most important part of it is trying to see if what that particular person is offering you worth the $50, worth the $5,000, worth the $1,000. That's what you're supposed to be looking at, not the cheap rate of it or the expensive rate of it, right? Huh. Supposed to be looking to if it is working. So somebody's cost can be even a $100, $50, and still yet a lot of information is going to be there. And somebody's cost is can even be $5,000 or $10,000, even um, $1,000, but still yet they don't have anything right there. $50 a cost is still much far better than the $1,000 cost, you know. So those are the things that you're supposed to be looking out for in the forex market. Is what they have to offer for you, does it worth what the price is, you know? You have to be checking all of these things. So if I say maybe my cost is $500 now, some people, hey, you are charging $500 for your course. Huh? What do you know in the forex market? Can the course make me $5,000 a month? You know, I'm not saying my course is going to be making you $10,000 a month, $5,000. No, 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 no. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is it can show you a real way that you can make money in the forex market. It can show you how you can be profitable trading forex. You know, and if you want to upgrade or if you want to just hire it up a little bit, you will be able to order for one-on-one mentorship on our website when we release it, right? So all I'm saying is try and put in the hard work matter. Even if with the course that is the best in the whole world, without you putting in the hard work, it can't do you anything. So even if it is me that I put hard work and I'm teaching you like consistently day in day out, I'm teaching you even if you are live here with me, teaching you one-on-one on Zoom call or everywhere, you will be able to grab anything without you putting the hard work or without you putting extra work to it, right? So even if it is in class, why are they even having examinations, tests, and things like that in class when you are in your college? Lecturer come to lecture hall, lecture you, give you some necessary materials, give you maybe a handout of as we call it here, give you a lot of educational stuff, right, or materials, right? So after I give you those things, a time will come whereby the lecturer will say, okay, it is a time for us to have tests or it is a time for us to have exams, right? And of course, if you're able to pass the exam, then you advance to another level. But a lecturer will just come to class, lecture you, and walk away. Then, without you putting in the hard work, how will you be able to kind of pass his examination or pass his test? So this is how it comes. It's kind of technical, guys. It's kind of technical. No matter how good your mentors is, no matter how good your mentors are, you have to put in the hard. Or success is by your work, and and success is optional, guys. Take note of that. Success is optional. You either choose to be successful or you either choose to be not successful in life, right? It's all determined by yourself. Have you ever sit down for once, say, okay, let me just try to figure out why this is happening to me in life, why this happened, and things like that. You're supposed to analyze yourself. What are the things that you are doing the wrong way in the forex market or in your life in whole, so that you can at least move from your previous stage and move to the next level. So all I'm about to say is, even if uh, I'm trying to teach you how to trade forex and be profitable with the market, I cannot force it. All I'm here to do is try my best to show you the way, right? To show you the way. I can show you the way, try and tell you, hey, if you do like this, it's going to work. Hey, if you do like this, it's not going to work. Please don't try and miss road, come back to the road. See, this is the right way to go. you know I can advise you on some certain things, right? That's it. And some people, if you tell them, let me just tell you something. Somebody was telling me that he wants to subscribe to my signal channel, right? And I told him, okay. um, he said, how much do I charge for it? I told him that we charge $50 per month. He said, okay, then how many signals do you share every day? I told him that I share 1 to 3 signals every day. He told me, only 1 to 3 signals every day, then you are charging $50 for that. I said, what's happened, bro? What happened, bro? And I said, no, that's too expensive. He cannot pay for it, and he won't pay for it. I was like, nah, bro, come on, man. Okay, let's take for example. I told him that, let's take for example, this week we took 1 to 3 signals starting from Monday to Friday, being today, and we didn't experience any stop loss hit, nothing like stop loss hit. And you know that I say NZD CHF yesterday we closed it with my plus $1, right? Because I don't like the move. I didn't like what was happening. I shared the thread with the VIP's channel and the VIP, the premium students, and also we took CHF JPY, and of course we had our first take profit hit, which was 30 pips, and I told them that they should set stop loss to break even. Of course, I did put my stop loss to break even as well. So now the stop loss, which was at the break even for the remaining position, got triggered, and we are 30 pips in profit on that, right? So that's how it is. Okay, let's take for example, we took one trade every day. Now, of course, there's a day that we took about 2 trade, 3 trade this week as well. So let's take for example, we took one trade for 5 times, which is 5 times a week, and we didn't experience any stop loss. Is it not far much better than some people that whereby they will share you a bunch of signals, just be sending you a bunch of signals every day for 5 days, and you are experiencing stop losses, is it not better? Is it not better for that, for Christ's sake? So we have to think beyond what we are thinking. We have to think beyond that. Not that somebody is charging $50, and nah, that's we are not just charging because of want to take off your money. Of course, you can ask all of my premium students, man. You can ask them. They are, please keep doing the. They are, so some of them have even made much more than what they paid for. They've made much more than what they've paid for. Can you just imagine? One of my students, Emmanuel. His name is Manuel. There was a time that I shared with you guys. $143. He just grew it to more than $2,000. Can you imagine that? And how much did he pay? He joined us when we started the premium channel, the VIP. No, we didn't start VIP channel by then. We were just I think I had about 10 or 7 students by then when he joined us. And they didn't doubt me. They didn't do anything. They paid for the course. They are the first students that I had by then. So now they are enjoying it. They are enjoying it, of course. So that's what you are thinking. Think like you are investing in yourself. Think like you are investing, you are uh, not you are just throwing your money away or think. Nah, think like you are investing, man. Think you are investing, not. Okay, let's talk for example that today you lose money with your broker. You deposit $500 again, you still lose it, blow the account. You deposit $1,000 again, you still blow it. Come on, man, stop blowing your account. Stop blowing your account. Learn risk management. Learn risk management. It is very good. You have to learn it. Learn it. Have the knowledge first before you deposit your money into your account. That's very important. But when it comes to maybe paying $300, $50 now, nah, that's too expensive for me. Or whereby you can deposit $1,000 to for your broker, and you end up blowing the account, right? Okay, when you are depositing it, you are not investing, right? You are investing with your broker, right? Then when you blow it, what will you say? You say, oh, I would have taken maybe $300 and register with so cost. Maybe take $50 and register. Come on, man. When will you decide not continue making decision? Decide, take action. When will you take action? Tomorrow you think about, okay, give me some weeks or some days. Um, I will think about it. I will think about it. Then you deposit $1,000 to your broker. Then you blow the account. Come on, man. Why did I even do that? Okay, I did something wrong. I overtrade. When will you have the right knowledge? Like I've said, trading is a gradual process. Think of it long term. Not trying to be a rich overnight. That's not gonna happen. Some people, of course, some people are rich overnight, but that's not for me, and that's not for my um, for my way of trading. So that's it, man. So I can give you some advice, and when it comes to trading, there is a lot to cover. There's a lot to cover, and right here, let me just try to be checking out all of these comments, and after which we finish comment, we'll still try and um check out for some pairs as well if you guys still need uh, some pairs to trade, right? So let me just start reading the comments so that we can be in touch. Let it not be as if I'm the only person speaking, right? What did I stop? Okay. Naked chat is the best. Is it okay? Emmanuel Aman say, sir, please, how much account can I start? Yeah, how much account can you start with? All depends on your all depends on your capability of how much you can deposit your account. As for me, there's no specific account. There's no specific amount that you can start trading forex with. So uh, you can deposit 300, 200, $100. It all depends on your capability. So that's what I'm talking about. So it all depends on your it depends on your capacity to kind of deposit how much you want to start with. No specific amount to start with in the forex market. Boss, please, how much account can I start with? Yeah, I've answered the question. And yes, sir. This live speak for itself. Guys, come join in. Yeah, for sure, man. That's it. Thank you very much, Dan, for that. And thank you so much, sir. Please keep doing the good work. Yeah, thank you very much. And so far we are still alive, and with the help of God, I will continue doing what I've started, right? Because I want, no matter how I'm experiencing some challenges now, this one will hit you up, this one will kick you up from back, from top, from bottom, front. You are getting punches from either side, right? So I will try my best to withstand it, and I will try my best to withstand it so that we, all of us, can continue moving together, right? And regarding the which one is another okay. John, now it will be best investment ever. Yeah, for sure, bro. It will be the best investment ever. Thank you so much, sir. Please keep doing the good work. Yeah, thank you. It's not about sending signals. It's about learning how to trade signals. It's like a bonus while we learn. For sure, you understand what I mean. That's what is happening in my premium group chat and premium channel as of now. I do tell them that here we are not just based on signals, but I'm trying to kind of send you signals so that you understand that, okay, what Israel is teaching us is working and is working for him according to I'm sending you signals and it's working out, right? So that's how you or that's how they understand that, okay, the strategy is already working. And of course, I'm trying to prove to public that what I'm doing as well is working by coming to live coming to live stream on YouTube so that they can see, okay, it's working. I don't care who is watching, I don't care where you are watching from. All I know is I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, and I'm doing what I like, and I'm doing what I know is working in the forex market. They can invite the best forex traders in the forex market. I don't care. They can criticize. I don't care. All I know is I focus, put my strength on what is working for me, and I can show you what is exactly working out in the forex market as well. So all that matters is profitable, and you can make money if you understand how to trade forex with this my strategy or with what we are teaching right here. So that's it about that. And somebody saying those looking for 10 signals a day are the lazy people who don't want to work and learn to do it themselves. For sure, man. For sure, for sure. I don't have money now, but subsequently I will join the premium services. Yeah, for sure. No problem about that. Whenever time you're ready, we are here. Can we pick one more trade before closing for the day? Yeah, but remember, NFP is coming, man. NFP is coming. NFP is crazy, very very crazy. So you see what G is doing. G is still coming down and possibly retest another one before continuing to go to the upside. Excuse me. So yeah, as you guys can see, that's how we do it in the forex market, and that's how you can do it, and you can see. And there's another misconception that is going out there regarding so sir, what pair you going to trade on NFP? Yeah, I might trade Euro USD because USD might get weak. I may trade USD CHF as well. So you know that if USD is weak, USD CHF is going to buy. If USD is weak, Euro USD is going to sell. So yeah, those are the two pairs that I might uh, I might trade. And you know why USD might be weak for this NFP? Because of this Mr. Presdo Corona stuffs. Oh my goodness. Corona is mess, man. Corona mess up a lot of people. God forbid for that kind of thing. So uh oh, Corona is somehow, man. It's somehow. God forbid. And I wish him quick recovery. I wish him quick recovery, and I pray God will heal him as early as possible, because nobody wish to have this particular thing. Nobody even wish to have any type of sickness in this whole world. So far, you are a human being, you are not praying for that, right? So I wish him quick recovery, and I'll continue to pray for him for God to give him more strength to lead United States, right? So I pray for him that uh, he get well soon. So that's the reason why USD might be weak today during the NFP news, right? Are you going to stay live onto NFP? I'm not sure of that if I'm going to stay live during the NFP, and as you can see, remain almost 3 hours for NFP now. Remain 3 hours for NFP to kick in, right? So let's see if we'll be able to make it during NFP trade, right? And as you can see, start by 1:30 p.m. my time, so remain 3 hours now. I'm trying to refresh it. Euro news has happened already. Okay, somebody saying, can you do FIB on GU now? Yeah, for sure, I can do FIB retracement on the GU. This is my, yeah, that the question was asked in my premium group chat though. Yeah, I got I see the message. He said that at Israel the trader, please can you do FIB on that GU now? Yeah, as you can see, I think GU is just reacting to 3.38% or 28% right now. But let's confirm it by putting our um, you can see GU is just reacting to this 23%, but I don't think this move is gone. But it's a strong move though. It's a strong move, and it can continue going up. But another thing can happen again. It might just come up and form another double top and continue going up. So it can either come down to this 38%, 50%, or 61% before you can now know that okay, it will go up for trend continuation, right? So that's it with the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, I've told you that I don't trust that move. I don't trust that move, man. And yeah, so that's it. And let's try and check USD MXN, right? Let's try and check USD MXN. But let's try and check Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP actually broke out of my. You know that I did this thing the other day, right? Uh, Broke out of the support. So Euro GBP now might continue. If you remember in our live streaming, the day that we took, I think 100 pips on GBP JPY, something like that. So yeah, I'm still waiting for it to either hit this level before it will start buying, or it will continue going down to the downside. Based on, as you can see, he's making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Let me try to no, let me not put it. I wanted to show you something, but let me just reserve it for the students. Let me try to check. This is a UD card, and I usually do my analysis on the daily time frame, as you can see. Then 4 hour time frame. Okay, as you can see, we took our last take profit on this ADCHF, right? Let me now continue showing you guys what is happening right here. So yeah, as you can see, this AUD AUD and I did the analysis the other time that it should come down for retracement before. Oh my goodness, messages are just pumping up, man. So it is what it is. Should we trade Nasdaq, guys? Let's not go crazy. Ah. So yeah, I'm waiting for this retracement to finish before it to continue going. As you can see now, to come down to this point possibly before going up again. So ADNZD, yeah, there was a time that I did analysis when ADNZD was here, right? And as you can see, ADNZD might buy here from here or continue going down The downside. But this is a clear something, guys. What do you guys see? Oh my good. Should I expose this secret right here? I'm seeing something. Should I expose it? Something's going on, man. On AUDNCD right now. Now I'm not going to tell you what's going on right here. Well, I might tell my. Don't worry. But I've made it clear. I've made it clear, and I've explained right now. If you know how to read my chart, you can explain what's going on this particular chart right now. Because I've done the analysis, done everything. You can just interpret what's going on here. Okay, all right. Let's continue, guys. This is ADSD, but I'm not interested right now. It might continue going down though because of this, because of what is here. As you see it, the perfect. It might continue going down or reach to this level and shoot up. So we'll see what's gonna happen. So it might range here, just trying to be ranging. So that's what might happen. And this is called CHF, I guess so. Yeah, this is called CHF. So yeah, we took sell on CAD CHF. Yeah, we took 30 pips this week on CAD CHF. So let's go down the CAD JPY and CAD JPY. Oh my goodness, this analysis is enough for you, man. That analysis is enough for you guys. So which one is this? CHF JPY. Thank God that we didn't. Okay, we took this trade yesterday, right? And we took our first take profit for 30 pips. And I told you guys you should set your stop loss to break even. And our stop loss was triggered at break even yesterday, right? Of course, I shared the what is it call it, the screenshot with you guys when my stop loss was triggered at break even, right? Because I saw some changes in the market. That's why I told you guys set stop loss to be to break even, right? So that's that about for the uh, CHF JPY. So I saw changes, and I've told you guys set stop loss to break even, and now it still continue to go to the downside. But we'll see what will happen next time. Um, so this is DAX, this DXY, right? DXY will buy, and maybe Euro USD is going to sell, guys. I've told you that USD might get weak, and if it is weak, then it's going to buy. Euro USD is going to buy, right? But if it is strong, Euro USD will sell, and USD CHF is going to buy. Why this DXY is going to buy? Huh? Yeah, it's going to buy. Why Euro USD is going to sell, right? Let me just do rubbish analysis here so that you guys can just, you can just be putting your support and resistance in just a few minutes. So you see, who can tell me what's going to happen next? So the next thing that is going to happen here, the next thing that is going to happen for this DXY, your stop loss is going to be below this 35, yeah, 35 pips to make 100 pips. As you can see, that's it.
That's it. And Euro USD is going to sell while this is buying. Where's Euro USD? Where's my Euro USD? Okay. Euro USD is going to sell while that is buying. And as you can see, I've done the analysis for Euro USD as well. And now, as you can see, got my analysis, everything. But on the 4 hour time frame, you'll see that right here is reacting to this support. You know that in uptrending in downtrending market, support is turning to resistance, right? We'll see what is going to happen. Uh, when New York session is, yeah, this um NFP is during New York, right? It's during New York session. So that's it for the Euro USD. So we're trying to see how far this pairs can move. So let's go to, okay, we were here. Then let's go down to, this is Euro AUD and daily time frame. Oops, this analysis was not for you guys. Oops, even this analysis is not for you. Even this analysis is not for you. Okay, so this is so I got to be honest with you guys. I have to be honest with you guys, telling you the one is for you, the one is not for you. You know, I got to be honest. I got just give you everything on uh, on YouTube, right? Of course, I can be telling you what to do, how you can be profitable in the forex market, and I'm trying my best to tell you how you can be profitable and which way you can be profitable as well. So, who is this person making comments on this our live session? The person says, Mr. Omaha commented, there is nothing new with the Bitcoin price manipulation, dumping and liquidating millions of dollars in the process. If you want to be safe, just trade and don't hold the bottom line. Who is Mr. Omaha? What are you trying to say? I kind of know. I don't trade Bitcoin, but let me try to see BTC USD, right? I don't trade Bitcoin, but I trade Bitcoin like to buy and hold. I do buy and hold, right? I do that a lot. Okay, I've done the analysis before for Bitcoin, but this analysis was not today. It was not today. Yeah, for sure, Bitcoin is going to drop, man. Bitcoin is going to drop for sure. I have confidence in this. Bitcoin is going to drop. Remember, this is daily time frame. To be honest with you, I think Bitcoin is going to drop. Huh? Bitcoin Bitcoin is going to drop. And what are you seeing right now? Are you not seeing downtrending move? Let me just analyze the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to drop. Bitcoin is going to drop. Anything that will make Bitcoin to close below this to continue to come down to this level and try and come and retest again. Boom, continue going to the downside. So Bitcoin might even drop to this previous low during the corona pandemic, right? So that's what I'm saying.
Corona, man. During August, Corona shook the whole world. God forbid for with that kind of a disaster again. That was global issue. Was it? Was it? No, it was March. It was March. It was March. So yeah, this is analysis for Bitcoin. It might break out of this, continue going down to the downside. So that's it for Bitcoin. And of course, if you come down to 4 hour time frame, you know what I'm talking about. So this is 4 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame for sure, man, is going to drop. So I can put another one here on this 1 hour time frame. So from here, I'm expecting Bitcoin to continue dropping. And as you can see, 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. You see it? On 5 minutes. You see it? This is what is happening on 5 minutes. So it's trying to retest this line again before continuing to go down. So it will just do like this and continue going down to the downside. See, man, once you know what you're doing, you can trade any pair that comes your way. Any particular pair that comes to your way, you can trade it with very much confidence. So no need for you to be. Because I see a lot of people, they will tell you, hey, just grab 1 or 2 pairs and cram the move, right? I'm not saying that if you are cramming the move is very bad. No. All I know is that don't don't uh, don't ever try and cram moving. All those kind of things. Don't ever try and cram move. It's better you understand a pure technical analysis. Okay, let me try to see. Yes, bro. Somebody saying yes, bro. Please expose it. Nah, man. Not everything that I'm going to expose here, man. Everybody can testify to that. And we just saw a sneak peek of boss trade. What do you mean? Organic Caro. Oh my goodness. Can you just okay, you cannot talk here. I wanted to ask you, okay, precious. I can pronounce precious very well. Precious, precious. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, sorry for that, guys. I had something. I want to get myself okay, right? And uh, let's continue with the comments. Yeah, Precious was trying to say we just saw a sneak peek of boss trade. Give us the secret boss. Bitcoin will drop again. Yeah, it should drop. Bitcoin will drop. I'm seeing Bitcoin will still drop. And the formation of downtrend from high time frame, right? From highest high. Okay. How do I get more information on joining your VIP group? Yeah, we have a VIP. Um we have a VIP. We have a premium channel, right?
You can you can contact me on Telegram based on Instagram. I don't know what happened with my Instagram account, man. I message nobody. I do nothing. People just follow me and message me, but I don't know why for no reason. Um, something. Well, I just don't know. I know it might be all these haters, you know. It might be all these haters that does that, but I don't care about it. Yeah, if you want to just get more information about the VIP and everything, so that I'll send you the whole message. Just contact me right now on Telegram. That's my Telegram link. Go to live chat section. You'll see it right there. Oh, you messaged me on Telegram, so just bear with me. I have a bunch of messages right now. Uh, just tell me your username. Maybe I can filter you out. Uh, okay, I think I've just sent a message. No, live chat. Okay, cool. Cool. Please, let's finish the live session first. Then I'll reply to you. Or let me send you the information whereby you need to get before. Uh, yeah, sent. I'll send the whole information so you can go and check it out um on your account, right? So yeah, let's continue. Some people are saying Bitcoin is going to drop again. Like you see, I say Bitcoin is going to drop again once it continue to reject this level to continue to drop. Yeah. So which pair are you guys still looking at? Trying to write it down in the comment below so that I can be checking it out for you. So like just like today we did about 3 hours now. 3 hours this doing this live for. So oh, trying to see. Funny enough, guys, I've not had my breakfast. So as soon as I just wake up, uh, brush my teeth, wash my face, I haven't even taken my bed this morning. I just wake up from my bed, direct from my bed, and right now I'm here. What's happening? Come on, I will see live. It is funny, right? Somebody's not taking his bed this morning, but he's trading. Oh my goodness, trading is crazy, man. Trading is crazy. So, but this is a good side of it. You are in your house, lying down or doing whatever. You can trade, get your money, sleep. This is nobody's disturbing. Hey, you are not coming to work today. You are late. You are this. You are that. Nobody's controlling you. Just wake up, analyze the chart, lie down. You trade. That's how it is. That's how it is. So I'm seeing another changes. So this particular pair is trying to react to this. It's trying to react now. Let's try and see. Come on, GJ. Let's try and see GBP USD if it drop or As you can see, GBPUSD is still covering that too. I've told you that all this move that was happening right there, I didn't trust it. Still gonna go come down and before it will possibly shoot up. So as you can see now, as it hit our take profit, definitely it come down, right? So I was seeing this zone as where we have our possible resistance zone. So this zone was our resistance zone, and I take note of it that okay, if the market comes to this level, definitely it might drop to the downside based on the fact that this is my resistance level. And of course, you are saying now this is what the market is doing. So you have to be wise and tread carefully, guys. You have to be wise and tread carefully if you want to be profitable in the forex market. So as you can, this is big resistance, man. This month a lot of manipulations is going on. To be honest with you, a lot of manipulation is going on. You see all of these candles. This was pure manipulation. See, this is um this is pure manipulation based on, at times we call this tweezers bottom, right? So it's supposed to shoot up from here, and as you can see, decided to make all these fake moves, come down, trying to be giving me some signals that. So this one that you see right here, this is what I call exhaustion candles in price action. So we have exhaustion candles, we have rejection candles, and we have trend continuation candles. So that's the price actions side of it. So some of them here, they are exhaustion candles, and that's why we bought it. Of course, I say I will not just be explaining everything that I'm seeing in the forex market. You might be thinking, Israel is just putting support and resistance. That's why he's getting in for the buy. And come on, my brother. I'm not just putting this support and resistance level blindly. I'm not just putting it blindly, man. Of course, I'm checking the price action side of it. So if I put my support and resistance, definitely price action follow it as well. So don't just maybe I'm putting support and resistance and you go to your chart and you start putting your support and resistance and maybe the support and resistance is not working for you. You know, come on, why is it not working for me and is working for Israel? Why, right? So I'm not just putting support and resistance right here, man. So if I'm not saying what is happening, definitely it will break the support retest and push down, right? Okay. So that's all about it. Anuku Christian saying AN is pushing down, it will likely break the support retest. See, there's one thing about me, guys. As you can see, we just took GBP USD, right? We just took GBP USD, right? As you can see me right now, I'm not even interested in getting in for any other trade again. 81 pips for the day. You know, if you can get even 50 pips every day, do you know that is still something? In a week, that means you are cashing about 250 pips, right? So 81 pips a day, you say okay. Come on, man. Who is the person that catch 81 pips every day? So I think maybe this guy, this GBPUSD is reacting to this 38% or 50%. I think 38%. 38%. So I'm expecting it to still come down to 50% before it will start going up as well. So that's it. That's it. It's very simple once you know what you're doing in the forex market. So let me try to check ADNZD as somebody is saying. Okay, it's pushing to the downside, right? Let me check for our time frame. Nah, that's yeah. It might move to the downside to here, but let's see. Nah, this is not strong move, man. I don't consider that a strong move. That's not strong move, as you can see. In fact, it's even acting to react. It's even about to react to trend line. Uh, See, you have to check everything possible before you start getting for the sell or getting for the. As you can see, if I draw something like that, will you tell me that it's still going to the downside? Will you tell me that it's going to the downside? So except except maybe you have a breakout of this. Once you break out, there are retests. So once you break out of this and retest, boom, I might consider it as it will continue going down to the downside. So right now, it's not pushing hard to the downside. Nah, don't buy GBP USD as of now. Uh, let me check it. Don't buy GBP USD as of now. It's very risky. According to what I'm seeing, don't buy it for now. All this move, it might be a fake move, guys. The market makers are wise. They are very, very wise. So be patient, stay calm, stay cool, and wait for the move to happen. So that's how you can do it. Okay. So as you can see what is going on. So that's it, man. That's it. And also, if you guys have not yet checked our um our free Telegram group, you can do so. Or let me try to send you guys the link to. For those of you maybe you guys are new here on our live trading session. Let me try to give you guys our link to the free Telegram group, right? Just go down to comment section, live chat. You will see join our free Telegram group or Telegram channel. No group, it is a channel. Telegram channel, and then there you go. You have it. GBP has been crazy. Let me try to see what's happening with GBP. What do you say GBP has been crazy, Precious? So what do you mean by Precious? Bearish momentum much? Nah, this is this is why I say you guys have to be patient. This is not trying to tell you that okay, I'm going to the downside now. Don't. It might just be a trap, guys. It might just be a trap, and also it might just be a straight move to the downside, right? Anyhow, it is. Our last take profit was triggered for 81 pips. So right now, I'm not interested in buying it or in selling it. I'll wait for the move or whatsoever they want to make. Let them do it. And remember, I'm still holding my swing trade. I'm still holding some of my swing trade. So just for your information. So that's me, guys. I wait for the move. Be patient. Stay calm. Wait for the move to start. Not you chasing the move. Now, Don't try and chase the market, man. Don't try and start chasing the market okay, this one. Except you are scalper. You know, scalpers they chase market. So I don't even have scalpers say that they will have sold this market right here. Or I have idea that yes, when it hit our last take profit, I know it's going to go to the downside based on where my resistance level is, right? So let's see what will happen right now with this particular. But GBP pairs right now, they're crazy. Come on, GU. G is trying to go to the downside, man. G is trying to go down. Well, we'll see what will happen. Um, yeah. Let's try to see what's gonna happen for this particular paper in GBP USD. So let's see. I think it's reacting to 50% Fibonacci retracement now. So you see, I think it's reacting to 50% Fibonacci retracement. If you draw it, you see it now, right? This is 50% Fibonacci retracement. So I think it might continue buying from now, but we'll try to see. But I'm not getting in, just for your information. Don't think that hey, Israel say he's gonna buy now. Let me to buy it because he's buying. I'm not buying it. Come on, NFP. NFP remember 2 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 20 minutes for NFP, man. As you can see, it's acting to 50 minutes, 50 fib retracement. So I'm trying to see what's gonna happen from here. So let me try and check comment section. Maybe you guys are saying something, right? Um, I'm trying to see comment section. So somebody is saying it's been up and down this week. Yeah, it's been up and down this week, but this was just manipulation. You have to trade wisely. You have to trade wisely whenever time you have you see some banks, all these people are trying to manipulate the market, right? Big banks, you know, they will manipulate the market a lot, man. They will manipulate the market. You just supposed to kind of trade wisely. And uh, and somebody said, bro, can you tell me how to analyze market news from forex factory? You know, you just use your common sense to analyze fundamentals. And of course, all these colors that you see, and if you come down to forex factory now, you can see these colors they determine how um, you know kind of the market is going to be. So if you just hover over this red signs that you see, as you can see, it says high impact is expected, right? So you mean you're expecting a high impact news from all of these news release, right? So it will be like kind of a high impact. It will impact the that particular pair highly. But and you don't just use what they are saying right here and you start trading it on your account. No, you don't do it like that. You go down to your chart again. You do your technical analysis. After doing your technical analysis, compare it with what is happening right here, and you have to also see that particular country's economic growth or economic situation, right? In this case, now it is USD, which is stands for United States, right? Which is United States dollar, and it is for America. So right here, we're supposed to start analyzing U.S. Economic growth or economic situation right now in order for us to know the fundamentals, right? So you start calculating from there and you compare it with your technical analysis. Then, are you seeing similar thing or are you seeing a different thing? So that's how you're supposed to be comparing them. As you can see now, GBPUSD is trying to react to that 50% Fibonacci retracement right now, trying to go to the upside. So yeah, that's how you can trade news, guys. So fundamentals, they analyze uh, one's country economic situation. So is the economic good? Is the economic bad? Is the economic this? Is the economic this? And things like that. So they analyze the current situation in the country. That's all about it. No, there's nothing much about fundamentals. So usually fundamental trader, they are profitable on buy stop and sell stop. So you see a fundamental trader, they usually put buy stop and sell stop on their trade. They don't trade, uh, they don't execute trade, right? So that's how it is. And you analyze one's country economic situation first before you start trading the fundamental. So yeah, that's all about it, guys. And if you have any particular pair, you can just comment it down in the live chat section before we can call this off for the day. So I'm about to hit stop streaming. We're about to stop the streaming for the day, and thank you very much for whosoever checked it, and thank you very much for whosoever find our information very helpful, and you know yeah, which pair do you guys want me to still check for you before I go and take my bait and start maybe having my breakfast and things like that. Yeah, thank you very much as well, Mr. Ifani. Somebody saying thanks, IDT, for the stream. You are the best. Yeah, thank you very much, and I appreciate it. We'll continue doing it, and see you next time in the near future, man. And Royal Panache, can we check Euro USD? And somebody is saying GBP AUD, right? So let's try to check Euro USD and GBP AUD. Where's Euro USD? So this is Euro USD now. Yeah, like I've said earlier on that Euro, Euro USD is just being frustrating right now. So me personally, I'm not interested in taking the trade on this Euro USD at the moment because it is ranging. It is ranging, guys. As you can see, this is my trend line, signify that the market is supposed to move to the upside. But right now, it's stuck in a range. Remember, I told you guys that whenever time you see me putting all this price range like this, what I'm saying is, I'm saying that the market is a ranging market. So right here, I specify that okay, the market is ranging market, and if you want to trade ranging market, you buy low, you sell high. You buy low, you sell high. If you want to trade ranging market, that's the popular saying. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. So that's the popular saying, and that's how you can do it. So this is a ranging market making a move of a lower, high, low, lower, high, high, low, lower, high. So maybe probably right here we might see another push to the upside, but the market might come down right here before pushing to the upside. So I'm not interested in taking this particular pair, but right now, according to the market structure that I'm saying, it is a ranging market, and you buy it low, you sell high. Meaning that when the market come down to this level, you buy it. When the market reaches to this level, you sell it, except you see a breakout of these two zones, right? That's how you can do it for this particular pair. And let's go down to GBP 80. Where is GBP 80? As you all can see that I don't have any specific pair to trade, right? All of these pairs, I trade them anyone I see opportunity or anyone that I like the setup. So GBP 80. So I trade anything that comes my way, man. GBP, come on, G. So GBP 80 might uh it might sell because of what I'm seeing, the market structure. Um, let me try to see. Sorry, let me try to check something first. And sorry guys, I'm checking something first before I go down to the section. No. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So yeah, let's continue trying to analyze this particular pair being a GBP AUD, right? But let me try and check comments again if some people are saying anything. Okay. So yeah, right here it is. So this is the. Am I on daily time frame? I'm not on daily time frame. Oh yeah. So it's going to sell, guys, um, but we have to wait for this particular candle, the daily time frame, to close. Because if I start putting my support and resistance on the daily time frame, you'll see what I'm talking about, right? So this market might range a little bit, my range. So it might range. So see what is going to happen, guys. See what might happen. This one, then this, or this current move, or break and move to the upside. So it either breaks out of this and continue going up, or it will come down for another move again and move to the upside to break out of this before it will start going up, right? Right now, I'm seeing that the market is reacting to this, but based on we are having an engulfing candle or impulsive move right here, it might break out of this to continue going to the upside. And of course, we're trying to see what's going on the smaller time frame. Yeah, it might come down to the downside. Yeah, it might sell a little bit before continuing to go up. So it will sell to this previous support before it will go in, it will start going up again. So that's what I'm saying on GBP AUD. Do you understand what's happening? How do you, sorry, how do you do your market range? Yeah, I'm trying to show you guys range market, right? Trying to show you right there. This is range market. It's my range here. And whenever time we see a breakout to the upside or to the downside, I continue going down. If it breaks to the downside again, it will continue to this level. So most importantly, wait for breakout to happen between these zones before you can see the move. So that's it about the GBP 80. And guys, I'm kind of weak now. I'm trying to feel my stomach. They are complaining. I gotta go and get something done first, and before we continue, and we can now call it a day, right? So once more again, thank you very much everyone for tuning in, and I really appreciate your presence right here, and I can't thank you enough, man. Uh, and so guys, once more again, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I really appreciate your support, man. So we can now have it a happy weekend, good weekend, whatsoever. I wish each and every one of you guys, because today I'm not going to okay, somebody's trying to ask, sir, how did you do the FTMO? Yeah, FTMO is actually one company that used to fund traders, right? So if you're able to pass their evaluation process, you are able to pass their like a challenge and verification, then they'll analyze your trade, then give you a funded account, right? So that's how it works. You can get funded for up to $100,000, right? And they give you 70% and they keep 30%. That's how it does work. And remember, you are allowed to only lose about 10% of your account in general, but you are allowed to just have about 5% drawdown on your account for a day. So that's why they have max loss and max daily loss. So that's the difference between the max loss and between the max daily loss. That's all about it. There's nothing much, nothing less. Uh, Whenever time you try and trade for FTMO. So did you guys understand what I mean by that? So that you can just let me know now before I stop the streaming, before I end it for the day. And I wish each and every one of you a happy and great week, right? So trade safe, trade with good risk management, and most importantly, don't forget God, right? So that's how we can do it. And I wish you a very profitable and successful trading career. And for those of you that didn't subscribe to the channel, or if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon so that whenever time we try to do live session again, if you like what you see so far, please subscribe, like the video, and next time you share it with your friends and family, or you share it right away based on we recorded it and it will be on YouTube right away, right? Because it's live trading on YouTube and it will be there forever. So except I delete it forever again, that's all about it. uh, so thank you very much again. Have a nice day.